Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use data validation in Excel. First, open the Microsoft Excel application on your computer. Select the cells where you want to add the time or limit. Go to the data in the top bar and click data validation option. Click the down arrow to view the drop-down menu. Click on data validation and the dialog box will appear. Click on the any value bar and select time from the drop-down. Add the start time and then the end time in the given spaces. Go to the input message option and add the title. Enter the input message and go to the error alert option. Select the style of the error alert if the user enters invalid data. Add the title of the error and then type the error message. Click on OK to apply the changes. Enter the invalid data to make sure the changes have been made. You will see that the error alert message will appear. Click on retry to re-enter the data. Enter the data in the column where you add the limit of the time. Fill out the column and when you enter the invalid data, the error message will appear. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.